I'm sorry, mama. I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry, but tonight I'm cleaning out my closet. What's up, gang? It's Neji here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today I plan on Marie Kondoing my closet. I was gonna say my closet, like why do I have to swear? But anyways, basically decluttering my closet, purging clothing for my closet and my dresser. If that sounds like something that you're interested in watching, then hit that subscribe button, join the Neji gang, and let's get into this video. Ay. If you don't just put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Hold up. Let's get into this. My closet's not so bad because at the top I have my handbags. I don't really throw out handbags until they start kind of like decaying. That might be problematic, but who cares? We haven't been outside in a long time. I don't know if I'm gonna need those bags soon, so I'm not throwing any of them away. Okay, period, point blank, end of story. I don't want to hear anything. Have my Costco garbage bag here. And I figure we'll start here in my studio's closet because the stuff is hanging up. And it's just kind of like the easiest thing to start, and then I'll move everything into the bedroom and we'll go from there. But like, there's a couple things in here that I need to throw away. And it's nothing personal. It's just that they're collecting dust. I'm not wearing them. Thank you, next. You're going into the trash. Not into the trash, they'll actually be donated, but I just mean they're not gonna be a part of my world anymore. So my closet's always and forever organized in, I shouldn't even say organized in color order. That sounds stupid. That's not color's not in order. Organized by color by Reggie Biv. That's how my closet's organized. So let's start at the beginning with pink, which I don't think I'm gonna have to throw any of these things away because they're relatively new. Like, I haven't worn this sweater in a while, but it's because we haven't been outside. Like, this is the perfect brunch sweater. It's good for the office when I'm wearing an appropriate bra. Like, yeah, where did I even get this from? Forever 21. Yeah, this is an antique. It's not going anywhere, but I mean, yeah, pink is hard. But okay. The red. So I have like my university sweater. I haven't worn it in a long time, but it's like, you don't keep this or buy it to really wear it every day. Like, I used to kill it years ago. Now it's just like, again, another antique that I have no plans on getting rid of. I have to blow my nose. Give me a second. Oh, you know what I am gonna throw away? This. I got this from Boohoo. It's like a burgundy sweater. It's actually not bad. And if I stand here long enough, I could probably convince myself to keep it. You know what, it's cute? It's really ugly on the hanger. It's really cute tucked into like a pair of jeans. Like, it's not bad at all. I don't know if I see it for my 2021 self. Like, I think that there's a lot of stuff where I kind of age myself in the things that I bought, and I feel like this is one of them. Like, there's much cuter sweaters that I could buy that this is not serving. Like, look at the sleeves. Like, the sleeves just look sad. So you know what? We're not even gonna think about it long enough. Thank you so much. It's going. It's going. It's going. I'll come back for you. This sweater, again, along the same lines. Like, actually it was Tyler's first, then it was mine. But I haven't worn it in the longest. So I'm kind of just like, if I'm not wearing it, then what is the reason? What is the reason?
What was the reason? I just explained the reason. What was the reason, bitch?
Donation. This blazer. You know what? I kind of regret not getting this blazer in black. It's not an ugly blazer. It's not bad. It's just a lot. Like, hello, I'm wearing yellow. Like, that is what it's giving me. And some days you just kind of not. You don't want to. But it's a good blazer, and when I bought it with like work in mind. And I was basically like, you know what, you always say you need a blazer, but I wish I just bought it in black. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it for interview now. I'm gonna keep it for her. For her and for her only. This dress still has the tag on it, so I know I've never worn it. It's just kind of, like, the cowl neck makes me look very, very old, but it's a cute little green dress, but I've never worn it. And it was from when I used to work at Susie Shear, which was at least 3 years ago. So I'm gonna just put this in this bag kindly and keep it moving. I have like a bunch of flannels, shirts, and like denim shirts that I never wear that make me feel like I'm living my farmer fantasy, but I'm not, because I don't buy them oversized enough. Like this is a medium. I should have bought, if this was in like an XXL or like a men's large, I would friggin' love it, because I actually love the plaid. I just don't like wearing fitted. I don't like wearing fitted flannel. I think, oh my gosh, I think that that's like a certain look that's specific to the farm that I cannot pull off. So she's going away, and there's going to be more like her following. So don't be surprised if you see like 5 flannel shirts or denim shirts going there. It's fine. I was going through a phase. Lower your voice. Here's the thing with denim is I feel like now I'm at the age where there's a certain way that I can wear denim and a cute oversized jacket and a denim dress. There are ways. Like this is not it anymore for me. This was again another hoodie of Tyler's that I was collecting, but the problem is now we're at this point in our age where we buy like cute hoodies to wear and walk around in, so it makes it hard to like justify keeping the ugly ones. So it's going in the garbage. Oh, freeing up so much space already. Plaid, a wire hanger. It's like there's a million plaid things that just don't know. I don't want to talk about it, okay? I actually haven't worn this. This is like one of those sweaters, like I said, that aged me. The reason why I have it, one, my mom got it for me. 2, did I wear it? Yes, it's fine. Why I liked it is because it's long enough, like in the winter, it's long enough to wear like leggings. Like my job is very chauvinistic, and they like to protect the male gaze. And by male gaze, I mean like the male gaze, not male gaze. You can't wear anything like leggings wise unless it covers your booty. So this is the perfect sweater because it, although ugly, covers the booty. So I could wear leggings if I wore this. I'm putting it away. This is holding up the patriarchy. This sweater alone, I'm putting it in the garbage. I wear that, 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 I wear that. I wore this. It saved me when I didn't have a Christmas dress last minute. I'm going to take it away, not because it's that bad. I just picked my nose while I was talking. Oops. I'm gonna throw this away, not because it's that bad or in that bad shape, but it really didn't fit my bust that well. So I really should have gotten rid of it after I came home from that Christmas party that night and said, look, this is not it. Same thing with this one. Both are from Boohoo. Not bad. This is actually, you know what? I might keep this one. This is a good, like if my mom ever asked me to go to church with her, this is the dress. Like this is a good, easy black dress, no problem. So I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna get rid of this Fashion Nova dress. It's actually not in bad shape. When I first bought it, it had this defect on it, which I didn't notice during my haul, but it's fine, I wore it. But now it's just not me. It's giving me somebody else, somebody that I used to know. See, my problem is that I keep buying clothes, but I don't get rid of the old ones. This one is not bad either. It's just ugly and frumpy. I love the color of it, but I mean, you'll notice I have a lot of sweaters. I, again, work. I have a job. So it's not giving me like 2021 Nat G. Like, what is this? This is burlap. This is like the paper bag princess, you know? Like, I'm a queen now. That was dramatic, I'm sorry. I think that was basically it. Let's move into the bedroom. Okay, now we're in the bedroom. This is Tyler's closet, which is respectfully closed, nosies. And this is my dresser. So this is where I keep like my folded clothes and clothes that just don't fit in my closet. And I just like having a dresser because I feel like it just hides clothes. Yes, I'm nasty. I like drawers. I like to hide stuff away because I'm lazy. I'm not nasty, I'm lazy. So all my clothes are clean, but there are times where like I'd be folded and I'll be like, throw it away. Like throw it in there, I don't want to see it. So that's why I have a dresser as opposed to like getting like a shelving system for my closet. I just don't want to see it. A closet with like hanging clothes. Like my closet right now looks clean. I haven't done anything to it. I haven't had to touch it. I just hang stuff up and I leave it there. Whereas if it had all the gidgemarats and gidgemadoos, I'd have to keep that clean all the time and that would piss me the hell off. So anyways, this is how much clothes we've purged so far. Good on us. Let's just dive into this. So let's hit them t-shirts first. All of my Pretty Little Thing bodysuits are going in here. They were way too small, like too tight. Like A bodysuit isn't particularly comfortable, I mean, but I'm just saying, baby girl, it hurt. Like, it was not comfortable at all. Like, that shit could not button. And if it did button, I had to go pee, and then I couldn't button it back. And I have bodysuits where it's not that bad. Like, yes, it's still uncomfortable and friggin' awkward, but it's like these ones were like straight jackets. And they were in my size, so it was very strange. I think they were just made small, but I mean, it still didn't sit well with my spirit at all. This sweater is just, again, not on brand with 2020 now, so bye. This shirt is clearly for work, but it's giving me nurse at a mental asylum this year. So goodbye, Au revoir. Women's clothing is just so hard to fold. Like, some of it is just like froze. How am I supposed to fold a fro? I bet. I used to love this, again, for the same reason as like my other sweaters before her 4 sweaters, because she was long and she was dual purpose, but really, like I said, keeping up patriarchy. So au revoir. This one's tough because she's not good all by herself, but she's a movement when her and a pair of white skinny jeans are together. Like, okay, like cute. So I'm gonna keep her because she serves consistently. It's an easy outfit, like I swear. Another pretty little thing bodysuit. This one was actually comfortable. The problem with this one though was it was like too big. Like, it fit too comfortably. Same size as the others, mind you. And I could never wear it as a button down. I'd have to wear like a stupid ass tank top underneath it. And I'm like, I don't want that. I want to serve cleavage. I don't want to serve none. So that's why I didn't really like it, is because every time I wore it, it was too big. I couldn't wear it by itself. And then the tank top just wasn't my style. So bye. I bought this skirt from Pretty Little Thing. It was supposed to be like a cute, you know, like it's a nice skirt. It's a really nice skirt. It's for like a maxi moment. I don't think I've worn it. I'm really trying to pinpoint one time where I wore this at the house, and I don't think I've actually worn it at the house. It's super soft, it's super good quality. The problem is the material is not forgiving. Like, you can see everything from the way my tummy is to cellulite, and that's not a bad thing. Like, I'm proud that this is my size and this is my shape. It's just not in a flattering way. Like, I like things that cinch me in at the waist. Because there's really no waistband in this, it just basically sits over your tummy and looks very maternity, and then my love handles kind of still poke out through it. It doesn't go over them, it like clings to them, then it just looks, I look like the Michelin Man. So you know what, bye sis, she's gone. I bought this skirt from Pretty Little Thing as well. I think I'm gonna keep it because I have a new job. I can see me wearing this. I can wear this now, I'm just lazy. You know what, I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. So, put this back in the drawer. All of my little shorts, it's hard to get rid of shorts though, because like when you go on vacation, it's like the one thing you want more of. Like, that's why I've had these for so long. This is from Ardennes. I think these are from Blue Notes. Like, I've had these for years, but it's just so hard for me to be like, yeah, let me throw away some shorts that I can just slap on when I need to go to the beach. You know what, they're going back in the drawer. There's nothing wrong with this dress from, I'm pretty sure it's Forever 21. Nothing wrong with it at all, except for the fact that it cuts me super low. Like, the arms are super duper long. But I want to say this is the first year I haven't worn it. I usually wear it at least once a year, and I didn't wear it last year, so that just means it's not for me. You remember that phase of like church women where we used to wear like super high-waisted skirts and like a white blouse or like a vest over the blouse? Like, that's what this is from. And then I just kept them in case my mom asked me to go to church. But I have that one black dress. I think I'm good. I actually love these shorts. I got them from Pretty Little Thing last year. Super, super cute. They are just not the right size. Like, I wore them still. They're size 12. I should probably get a 14. The only reason why I need a 14 is because of how they are distressed. It's super squeezing on like the crotch, like the little cooch. Like, I want to wear these on the day that I'm going to a beach, and I just want to be able to take them on, take them off. They're too tight for that, so I would need a bigger size. Okay, activewear's done. It was super easy. I'm keeping all that shit. Why? Because like, you can't have, just like sleep clothes, you can't have too much gym clothes. The last one are my pants, my jeans. If I just grabbed anything that looked unfamiliar, let's start with these Fashion Nova jeans. Super cute. The fit is actually not bad. They are just low rise. I cannot wear low rise jeans. Do you see the wagon I have to carry behind me? I need something to hold said wagon up. So, tally ho! Into the bag. I'm pretty sure these, like 3 other pants my mom gave me, she gave them to me to get them hemmed. like almost 2 years ago. I've not gotten them hemmed, and so I'm taking that as a sign. Like, they're not bad pants, they're just not the right size or right fit. I'd have to find a tailor, make time to go to the tailor. Yeah, I'm not doing that. So to me, it's more convenient just to buy clothes that actually fit than to go to a tailor and get my clothes tailored, especially because it's actually expensive. Like, not super expensive, but it's probably like, what, like $20 or $30 per pair of pants. That's $60. I might as well just buy one pair of good pants for $60. Oh my gosh, I got these pants from Pretty Little Thing. They were in my last Pretty Little Thing haul. Super, super, super cute, but that's all you hear when I'm walking down the hall. So they're not for me, they're just way too loud. And I have pants that make noise, not as loud as this. Like, I'm okay with a little bit of noise, not this much. So, and plus I think they were a little bit too small, like just slightly, so. Oh, and these leather pants from Pretty Little Thing. They were cute, they actually weren't bad, but they're just a tad thin. Like, in comparison to my pants that I got from Silhouette Styles, like, I have no desire to put these on. Plus, I think these are a little short, so like, I'm good on these. Super good. Wow. Now we see oh my gosh. We did it. Purge. This is a big bag. Got rid of lots of those. Wow, that means I can go shopping again. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching and purging my closet with me. I encourage you to do the same. We're going into 2021 with fresh energy, a brand new wardrobe, and positive vibes. You heard? If you enjoyed this video, please give a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything I did today. And as always, subscribe to me. Join the Nat G gang. It doesn't pay my bills yet, but it will one day. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!